We were best friends even though I wanted more. Too afraid to ask, but I was always sure. I see you now and then, but my feelings never change. You went and fell in love, left me standing in the rain. I guess you stole your heart, but I see you broke it too. That's something I would never do. If only you would walk away and leave without the shadows left by him. He never loved you anyway. I wish that you would break and let me in. Surrender, 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 surrender. With every shot he fires, it's a bullet of a truth. It pierces your heart.